All right, dragons, we for the slow cook some pork, and I'm going to show you everything that you need for this to complete this meal. Now, some stuff is optional. You don't have to use. Of course, you already know that. Um, it depends on your preference. This is the stuff I normally use, so this is what I'm going to show you. So, of course, you need your slow cooker, your crock pot, whatever. You need your pork butt. You need a pork butt. Okay, this one is Boston butt. Right here I got from Winn Dixie. You can see for the 10. You need some ranch flavoring. You know, just the little package. Okay, don't use the sauce that people normally use. I'm going to use this cooking spray, and it's going to be to fry it. I'm going to use this beef flavor. I'm going to use this because I love how this, and this is going to help with the gravy. This is going to help with the gravy, okay, with this and this. So that's, I'm using this as well. You already know, one of my favorites. And this is also optional if you don't feel like cutting this up, because you know sometimes it burns your eyes, so you can get the bag. Okay, also optional, butter. Okay, and some people use oil, but I prefer butter when you combine flavors because it brings it all out. Okay, for the frying, I got, let me see, I got my pan here so I can get ready to fry the pork. All you need. Or all I'm going to use. Another thing that is optional is some peppers. I'm going to use this one because this is the one I have on hand. All we're going to do is brown the meat. Spray the pan. And let it brown. I put the fat side down on it. Only thing I'm going to put on it. After that's been sitting on there, I'm going to flip it. So you want to brown every side of it. Make sure your hand is washed too. Y'all see how much fat this damn thing got that normally would be in the slow cooker? This is why I like to do this method. And make sure you turn it up because you want to brown it, you're not cooking it. Don't worry about burning it. Gotta turn it again. Make sure them hands clean. Now we are going to put our pork in the slow cooker. This is how it should look, okay? I done brown all the sides, but this side, you could brown that, but we ain't got time for all that, okay? This is how the pan look after, okay? All that fat. Invest in a good pan because if you had a cheap pan, I'm pretty sure it would have burnt the meat instead of browned it. And this one is the retro way. rate pan right here. So invest in a good pan set, pot set, whatever. All right, no, there's no order. Just do it. Put everything in. Put my Worcestershire on top of here, a good amount, because I love this flavor. I got my onions and bell peppers. I rinsed them. I had them soaking in some water, and I'm putting it around it. Now I'm going to put the flavors and put that around it. This is the beef flavor I'm putting around it. Now I'm going to sprinkle some of this around it as well, but on it as well, but not directly on it. Don't worry about that. Now for to open up the ranch and put this, sprinkle this all over it. I cut up my butter in just four pieces. Put it on each side, basically. And last, I'm gonna put some of these peppers in it, these banana peppers. When you want the flavor and don't want all that, it to be hot. You don't need too many, but and that is it. We're not gonna put anything else on here or in here. We're just gonna put this on for 10 hours, okay? And put the top on. And let it do what it do. We'll be back in 10 hours. Right. Just went off for 10 hours. And you open it the whole time. Normally I do, but I didn't. I'm so sleepy. So let's see what we got. This is how it looks. So this bone should be ready to come out. Yes, y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Get this damn bone up out of here. Get this bone up out of here. Come on, I got that juice. Oh, yes. Gotta get that bone. Get that bone. Oh, it's hot. Oh, that was hot, hot, hot. But this is done, y'all. Oh my goodness. All this juice. I'm gonna add some more and make, cause it's like a juice gravy. Oh my god, I'm gonna thicken it. I'm gonna add some more stuff to it. But this is done. You can just shred it and do whatever you need to do to it. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna taste it though. I'm gonna taste it because it's hot. I'm so dang gonna sleepy, y'all. Don't mind me. That shit so tender. It's so flavorful. I'm so tired. Y'all, make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all can substitute whatever you want to substitute, but make sure y'all try that. That shit is bomb, okay? But I know I'm supposed to be looking at the camera, okay? I'm tired. I'm very sleepy. So, I will see y'all later. Thank you for watching. Make sure you thumbs up the video and leave me some comments below. Deuces.